Oh, okay.
We gotta stop.
Oh, you hot?
We gotta stop.
Oh, look, Maryann, there's an open house. Let's go be looky-loo neighbors.
Okay.
What beautiful landscaping.
I love the color.
I know. This accent.
Everything.
Hi, ladies. Thanks for coming by. Please make yourself at home.
Okay. Ooh, they have soft close cabinets like we have. I do like their backsplash a whole lot better though.
Oh, hun, come over here. This master closet's way bigger than yours.
Hey, realtor lady. Yeah, realtor lady. Are these closets custom? They've got to be custom.
Ooh, sparkly.
And out here, we have great outdoor living space. It's perfect for entertaining. What do you think you're doing?
Oh. Well, you said to make ourselves at home.